Let's start. Best of luck.
She wasn't in class yesterday. They playing soccer now. A is B, R, C, M. I a teacher. A and B, R, C is. The kids reading books. A reads, B reads, C are reading. He tea every morning. A drink, B drinks, C drinking. We went to the mall yesterday. The teacher absent last Friday. A is B was C wasn't. My father watching TV now. A and B is C are. They good friends. A or B is C, Amy. He went to the store yesterday. A, go B, goes C, went. She cooking dinner now. A and B is C are. We in Florida last year. A lived, B lives, C live. The sun in the east. A rise, B rises, C rising. He does his homework daily. A, do B, does C, did. They were late for school yesterday. The baby sleeping now. A and B is C are. She bought a new laptop last week. We not like soda. A, do B, does C, did. He in the garden now, A, and B are C is. They were watching a movie last night. A, watch B were watching C, watches. She my cousin, A, R, B is C, The dog barking loudly. A, bark, B, barks, C is barking. We close friends since 2015. A has been, B have been, C had been. He not like coffee. A does B, do C, did. The kids in the yard, A and B are C is. I studying grammar now. A and B is C are. They gone home already. A had B, has C have. She's singing a song. A and B is C are. We already completed homework. A have, B has C had. He played baseball yesterday. She late yesterday. A or B is C was. The student studying now. A is B or C am. He my neighbour A is B or C am. They going shopping. A goes, B went, C are going. The teacher very kind. A was B is C are. We at the park yesterday. A were B was C are. The weather was hot yesterday. A R B is C was. She already finished her essay. A have B has C had. They studying when I arrived. A was B were C are. The baby crying now are A and B is C are. I ready now. A and B are C is a. He goes to the gym daily. A goes B when C is going. She was absent yesterday. They waiting for the bus. A is B are C am. The boy very clever. A is B are C am. The cat sleeping now. A was B where C is. The children playing outside. A and B are C is. She not finish the essay. A did B do C does. They gone to the movies. A have B has C had. He's studying in his room. A is B are C am.
Thank you so much for watching. Drop your target scores in the comments. Subscribe Talk Learner for more videos, and also drop your target scores in the comments. Thank you. Have a wonderful day and a peaceful night too. Bye-bye.